Building recipes was a big adjustment to my workflow. I don't use them for everything, and I'm still finding opportunities for them. To make a preset recipe, use a swipey on an empty preset tile if you're choosing, and have a look at the Edit Settings option. Start by giving your recipe a name. Red delay X2. That should give some context to what recipe I'm about to put together. If you press on the expand arrow, there's a line here called New Recipe. The selection can be the All Mac Quantum group. The value column will be the red color preset. Using the matrix on the x-axis, I'm going to use delay from x 0, delay to x 1, and an x-wing of 2. It's not a requirement of a recipe to add a matrix. I'm adding some delay timing to the preset and making a wing to the original selection order to show what's possible with the recipe line. If you want to learn more about matrix or delay times and how they can be used, check out the Introduction to matrix video. Once you've closed the Edit Preset overlay, notice a yellow cooking pot appear on the preset tile, letting you know this is a preset recipe. Check out your recipe just like using any other preset. Select the group of Mac Quantums, bring them up to full, now choose your preset recipe. And if you're looking at 3D, you should be able to see a 2-second delay sweep from outside to in red. I'm going to store this as a sequence with the label red delay wing.